Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on subtracting. Now the question says we have got to do 63 take away 5.8 and you need to write the answer in the box provided, and this will give you 1 mark in the exam. Have a go at doing the question if you think you know how to do it already. If you need to hear a little bit more, then just listen. So to help you out, your key facts are that you need to write the values in columns and then subtract. So you need to make sure you get the column headings lined up in the correct place. So your hundreds are along the same column, the tens, so in this case you've got your tens, your ones, and then your decimal point lines up, and then the tenths line up. So make sure you know your column headings for your place values. Make sure you line them up correctly and then have a go at subtracting. Press pause while you get yourself pen and paper and then have a go at working out the answer. Then press play when you've got yourself an answer. Fantastic. So hopefully you've managed to line up the numbers correctly. So you've got 63 over 5.8. Remember the ones line up. The tens is just on its own and the tenths is just on its own here. Now because we have got a 0.8 underneath, we need to fill in this gap at the top. So we're going to put in 0.0 because 63 is the same as 63.0. 0 doesn't change the value of that number. So we're going to have a look at now subtracting. So we always start on the right hand side when we subtract, and we look at 0 take away 8. Now we can't do 0 take away 8, so we have to borrow from the 3. So we cross out the 3 and we take 10 from it and make it a 2, and we put the 10 in here. So we've now got a 1 at the front to make this the number 10. So I've borrowed a 10 from this 3. So I've got 10 take away 8, which is 2. The decimal point still stays in the same point. Now I've got to do 2 take away 5. Again, I can't do 2 take away 5, so I need to borrow from the 6. So I cross out the 6, and then I'm going to write a 5. And then I've got to do put a 10 in here. So I've now got 12. So 12 take away 5 is 7. And 5 take away nothing is 5. So your answer is 57.2. Now some children will be able to look at this and do 63. Take away 3, which will give you to 60. Take away another 2 to take you to make the 5, which will give you 58. And then take away 0.8 from 58 will give you 57.2. So some children will just be able to think it through in their head. Other children, it is easier to write it down and quicker to get the answer more accurately if you get it written down. Give yourself a tick if you got this correct. Great work. Well done. The mark scheme on this question shows the answers 57.2 for 1M, which means 1 method mark. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.